Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to use my AI on Snapchat. It's very easy guys. So if you want to use my AI on Snapchat, all you have to do is to open your Snapchat app and click on the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to find my AI option at the top of your screen in your inbox. So guys, if I open this my AI right now, I can chat with my AI and tell my AI whatever I want to do on Snapchat, and my AI can provide me with any help I need. For example, if I want to create a group chat, I can just tell my AI create group chat, and then I'm going to send this. Alright, so as you can see, my AI just replied within a second, and as you can see right here, it says sure, to create a group chat, tap the chat icon at the bottom of the chat screen and select who you want to chat with. So as you can see, it provides me with any help I need on Snapchat. Right, I can tell my AI that I want to take a snap. And as you can see, it says I can't take a snap, but you can take a snap by tapping the circle at the bottom of the screen. Right, so it gives you direction on anything you want to do on Snapchat. Right, so as you can see, if you scroll to the very top, you can be able to customize your Bitmoji, my AI Bitmoji. You can change the name of my AI to whatever you want, and we can ask questions about anything. So that's literally what my AI is created for. Actually, it's an artificial intelligence feature on Snapchat. It provides you help with anything on Snapchat. Right, so guys, this is how you can actually use my AI on Snapchat. So if you want to customize your Bitmoji, just click on this customize Bitmoji option right here, or you can click on my AI avatar at the top left corner, and then from here you just have to click on the three dots at the top right corner, and you'll find these avatar settings. Tap on that, and you can now customize your Bitmoji or your avatar. So just tap on it and you can start customizing it. So guys, this is how you can actually use my AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.